Welcome back to Teach Me channel guys. I hope you will be fine. In this video I will show you what is the difference between .aia files and .apk files and for what purpose these are used. Watch this video till end and I hope you will be able to distinguish between them. So let's get started. You are already familiar with .apk files. These are the applications that we install on our Android devices. I shall talk about them later. For now, I am discussing .aia files with you. .aia files basically used by most of the online app builders. .aia files are actually the source code files. Source code file means the files which contain code of the app that we are making. .aia files are as like the zip files. If we change .aia file extension to .zip file extension, it will clear everything. So let's change it now. Rename it to testapp.zip. Press yes. Now open our zip file. As you can see, it contains many useful information. It is the source folder. Since it made with Thunkable, that's why it's showing the name Thunkable. It contains different types of codes. Now if we go back, here is your project properties, main properties of your project that you are building with Thunkable. These are basically the code on which the app is working. These are also zip files. Now change its file extension to instagram.zip. Press yes. As you can see, it also becomes zip file. It is the executable form of .aia file. You can install it on every device, but .aia file cannot be installed on every device. These can be imported into respective builder. For example, if it is made with Thunkable, you can import this file back to Thunkable. So the summary is that you can share your app in executable form, which is .apk form, that can be installed on a device, or in source code form, means .aia form, that can be loaded into respective app builder. One important thing is that do not attempt to modify these files and load them back to respective app builder, means Thunkable, app builder, etc. US changes are unlikely to produce anything useful and are more likely to result in errors and waste of your time. I hope that you have understood it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Teach Me channel to get notified about any new upload from our channel. Also like and share this video and do not forget to check all other videos.